Boom! Hey guys, welcome to another All-Star Crypto video, 10 years in crypto. Hope you guys and girls are having an incredible day or morning or night, wherever you are. We are going straight in to a very special topic on Ethereum, and we are going right into the price analysis of this, as well as the fundamental analysis and the Ethereum 2.0 release date and the technicals that go with Ethereum of where we predict Ethereum price will go to in 2021 as well as 2022. So, for all that and more, as well as the ETH2 update and going through this, make sure you stick in to this in-depth analysis on Ethereum. And if you guys and girls are new here, consider subscribing to the All-Star Crypto Network, 10 years in crypto, making sure you're following the other social medias, because I'll be releasing some very awesome things in the very near future. Now, this space is 100% dedicated to keeping out the noise from the cryptocurrency space, and that is what I give you guys from the 10 years in crypto of wisdom, experience, screwing up, and winning, etc. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Consider hitting that thumbs up button as well, because YouTube likes this, and leaving your guys' comments so I can answer them. I love hearing them. So let's go in. And if you guys are looking for a topic on why is Ethereum dropping, the Ethereum price analysis, Ethereum 2.0 release date, the cryptocurrency price of Ethereum, as well as the Ethereum price drop in general, and Ethereum price prediction of 2021 and 2022, let's go straight in. So, why is Ethereum dropping right now? That is the very big topic that I must cover first for you guys and girls. Look no further than Bitcoin for this. And realistically, it is because a good $10,000 has been shaved off Bitcoin, and it has retraced in a very healthy way, in my opinion, to the 40,000 to 45,000 level as we see right now. You guys can see that retrace. It is very much needed because there was a huge exponential run up from the very low levels with very small corrections happening in the interim. So we could see very soon that this will go up, and you guys and girls can go down to the other videos of the Market Crash 2021, the Crypto versus Stocks video, and the other Bitcoin Crash video to check out what is happening with Bitcoin. But for today, Ethereum's price is dropping due mostly to BTC. See, like I said in the previous videos, nobody wants to be the person who is left last when Bitcoin drops and the rest of the market, the altcoins, particularly Ethereum, follows. Ethereum is number 2 in this, so it drops exponentially when Bitcoin does a retrace. The number 2 always gets affected by the number 1 in the worst ways. It's a competition. It is. And the crypto space in general is a competition. So that is how it needs to be going forward into 2021 and 2022. Now, let's go in real quick to the technicals of why Ethereum has also dropped. Now, the first thing by far is to explain things that I've explained in previous videos that are very important for you guys and girls to understand. In terms of technicals, you guys got to understand this only predicts the previous price action. Because Ethereum has already dropped, we can 100% show here in this technical why Ethereum has retraced. Now, the obvious is because of Bitcoin and its retracement. However, remember what I talked about in previous videos of Ethereum being very bullish. When it goes up to the 2000 level, which you guys can see it did, there would be a huge retracement. You guys and girls can go back to the Ethereum video. I 100% talked about it. I said we're going to the 2000 level and then we're going to have a huge retracement. This is exactly what has happened. I also mentioned in that video something very important for you guys and girls to understand today. Ethereum has pro traders in it trading it. Let me repeat this. Ethereum has pro traders, stock market, 10-year plus 20-year plus pro traders within this coin. They are trading it accordingly, and they are very, very good. So the question that I need you guys and girls to ask on why Ethereum is dropping is, am I good enough to beat these pro traders in the space? I said this to you guys in the previous video, and it's very important you guys and girls understand this, because if the best in the world are in this market, the number 2 ranked one, and there are the top hedge fund managers in this, and also the top people who are able to pro trade with margin in this space, then ask yourself, are you actually able to compete with these guys and girls? You must ask yourself this before making any form of trade investment. You must be able to take the money off other people. And that means being better than the top 1% that are in here that are making all of the capital. I would actually say top 20%, but you guys got to understand the top 1% are trading this as well. Now, if I just blew your mind, please leave a like on this video. It is very important you guys and girls understand this. This is a very different market than the previous bull run. The previous bull run had Ethereum going at that $700 level, and most of the time we could tell when Bitcoin was going to go down that Ethereum was going to retrace as well. Not only that, we could tell that when Ethereum was going to likely retrace and what certain level it was going to retrace at. Hence, why it went to about the $1,500 or so level, and then retraced a good 50%. This time, we have pro traders in the mix, and that makes it very, very hard, especially since they are trading with a majority of the manipulated money in this space. Very, very huge to understand, boys and girls. You have to understand this is a manipulated market, and a top majority of the wealth that is moving this market in a positive way and a negative way is directly coming from the richest people in the space. To not see this, to think everything is technical analysis, is absolutely insane. With that being said, what do we see here forming? We see it is a wedge going on. Can you guys see that? It's a very big descending wedge that we can see here. Now, this could play, since it is a channel going downward, this could go all the way down to the very low levels. However, what I could see, if it allows you guys and girls to see this, is a very big trace up. Yes, a very big trace up. Can you guys see that? At a certain point, when Bitcoin starts to become bullish, or there is news absolutely pushing this coin forward, which is what we are going to go into next for you guys and girls, the F2 upgrade. Now, with this being said, we're coming down, and you guys could see it coming down to the lower levels here in the support resistance level of around this bracket of the 1,268 to 1,230, etc., maybe even a bit lower than that. As you guys can see, that is a very strong support resistance level over here. So you guys can see it coming down to this level. Most likely, this is the buy-up level, depending, again, on what Bitcoin does and the news. The news could literally send it skyrocketing up. Again, manipulated space, it depends on what people choose to do. But it could also come right down to this position and just touch on here, maybe, then bounce up, or go right down to these levels, coming like this, to those levels, then bounce up. It could do this. This is the next support resistance. If not, we are going right down to this level. So, that is how simple it is. By the way, guys and girls, to do technicals, it's absolutely insane that people drag out the fundamentals and the technicals for an extended, especially the technicals, for an extended period of time. And if you guys like that, leave a thumbs up. Again, I try my hardest to not give you guys any noise in this channel. You guys can literally pause this video and take what you need out of this and see those levels coming up, right? So that is the bottom level, by the way, and coming up to this level. So with that being said, let's go on to the next parts of this, which is the important parts of Ethereum 2 or ETH2 upgrade. And it's very good that they changed the Ethereum 2 upgrade and made it better by changing it to ETH2. The other name was very difficult for a lot of people to spell. So, including myself, by the way. So it was very good that they changed it to ETH2. Now, the ETH2 upgrade is going to be absolutely huge. The vision to bring Ethereum into the mainstream and serve humanity, scalable, secure, and sustainable, which is very, very, very needed, especially in this age of technology where things are getting bigger and bigger. It needs to be more sustainable for the future, and it's doing things that Bitcoin as a whole is not able to do. See, the huge thing is this, and I'm about to blow your guys and girls' minds. Ethereum was made for smart contracts, etc. However, you guys got to note that the Bitcoin in general is not able to be changed in terms of its computing network in general. If Bitcoin goes down, then the whole cryptocurrency market goes down. So they are not able to upgrade Bitcoin without absolutely testing it on other coins. It isn't like those little upgrades that you guys and girls see where they do airdrops, etc., and upgrades on the exchanges, or they're able to do this for smaller coins like DOT, etc. That is not able to happen for Bitcoin because it controls so much of the market. They need to keep Bitcoin stable. So that is why Bitcoin is non-changing. You guys will be like, why are transaction fees so huge on Bitcoin? Why is it not changing and becoming faster? Why is this taking 20 minutes or 2 days to transfer my BTC to another wallet? That is happening because it is the grandfather. It has the hugest dominance by far. It is very important that this stays stable for the whole of cryptocurrency. Unless you want to see Ethereum going down to $2, which I know a lot of you do, want to see it going down to $2, making sure it is staying this way is good for the market in general. Alright? That is why we have Bitcoin forks happening. Things that can improve the Bitcoin network, but Bitcoin staying stable and ranked number 1 where it should be. Okay, with that being said, Ethereum is the smart contracts network, as you guys and girls know. The ETH2 update is coming, more scalable, secure, and sustainable, and the vision is absolutely crazy, which is why they've taken so long to get to ETH2. Especially since, if you guys look here, the start of this, and I can remember this, literally, 2015, 5 years ago, at the 42 cents, or from my perspective, $1 when I first saw it. And guess what I thought, guys and girls? This is too expensive. Yes, see, what you guys and girls are doing with the random coins is the exact same thing I was doing 5 years ago, 7 years ago, 10 years ago in the cryptocurrency space with a very bullish coin like Ethereum. I 100% said that $1 for this coin is too expensive, and I missed out on the opportunity. Now, I did start trading it from the first parabolic increase and went up right to the very huge $300+ level and traded it again in the next market to the $700 to the $1,500 level as well. So I'd been trading this from the very, very, very start. However, I still thought it was too expensive at $1. So for any of you guys and girls who still think that the outrageous prices up that have been predicted, which by the way have been 100% accurate up till now, is still crazy, then sir, ma'am, please take a step backwards and really think about what you're saying. Not only are you not going to make life-changing money, you are just being a bear in a bullish market. That is a very bad position to be in, especially since we have 2 years of huge price action to get, and we are absolutely going to kill it, especially in the trading group, and hopefully the new trading group coming very, very soon to you guys and girls. So, with that being said, Ethereum, trading it very, very low, and with that being said, the Ethereum 2 network is coming up, or the ETH2, with the estimate being 2021 in terms of this. So the beacon chain is the addition, which is the first that has been added to this ecosystem. And as it says, the beacon chain brings staking to Ethereum, and it lays the groundwork for eventual upgrades which will eventually coordinate the new system. The important part is coming back to this. The scalability, security, and sustainability of Ethereum must happen. Prices on the Ethereum network, the gas fees in general, are absolutely ridiculous. They are ridiculous. I'm not going to go into this for this video, but you guys and girls who are absolutely feeling the squeeze of the Ethereum gas prices and also just buying off Uniswap, wow. I am empathetic, as well as myself being a person who's invested off Uniswap as well. Huge amounts. Huge, unrealistic amounts by far. Now, the second part of this in the F2 that is coming now in this year is the shard chains. And shard chains will expand Ethereum's capacity to process transactions and store data. The shards themselves will gain more features over time, rolling out in multiple phases. Now, let's take a second to do the 2022 before we come back to this. The docking part in 2022 is absolutely huge. Mainnet Ethereum will need to dock or merge with the beacon chain at some point, merging with the first one, which is live right now, and it will enable staking for the entire network and signal the end of energy-intensive mining. Think about what is about to emerge here. 2022 is going to absolutely explode Ethereum, 150% guaranteed. Why do I say this? The Ethereum 1 network, or the network upgrade that happened first in the previous bull run, skyrocketed the price from a very, very, very huge low to the $1,500 mark. The $1,500 mark. Now, yes, you have to take into account that I said Ethereum has definitely got the professional traders by far priming this network with a majority of the actual tokens in the rich investors' hands, by far. But you would expect that from the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world. Like I said, they are going to spike the price exponential in 2022, as well as the retail, as well as us as individuals. We are absolutely going to spike the price of this as well, because the docking is going to mean staking, which means you get a percentage of investing in Ethereum network. Now think about this. You guys want to go back to the Twitters, you want to go back to the Apple, you want to go back to the Apple, you want to go back to all of the Facebook stock, you want to go back to all of the stock market stocks that you guys and girls, Tesla, all of these stocks that have absolutely dramatically increased, and the ability that they do not have to stake on those networks for you to actually hold that stock with no return on your investment, and to have the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world give you the ability to stake the entire network and be part of the Ethereum network in general, be part of the whole multi-billion-dollar part of the cryptocurrency, and to be able to stake in this. What do you think the rich people of this world will do? If security, the ability to have security is 100% there at the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world, then what do you guys and girls think will happen during this process? They will absolutely skyrocket the price to the position where you guys and girls, and myself included, cannot reach this cryptocurrency. We cannot reach the price of this, and we will not be able to invest in it unless we invest a very, very small 0.00000 of a Bitcoin in it. And we will very unlikely be able to have one. Very unlikely be able to hold one Ethereum. That is not a joke, by the way. I have seen this firsthand in terms of stock trading with the richest people in the space that I have worked with, as well as the people in stock trading and markets in general. If anything gives dividends on your investment, and you're able to have it where the price is exponentially increasing as well, which increases the percentage that you get as an ROI on your investment, then it would be common sense for the rich in the space, as well as you guys and girls, to absolutely invest in this before it is too late and be able to get that ROI on your investment that exponentially increases as the mainnet of Ethereum grows, as the ability to be faster and more secure and scalable in the future, and just having this network exponentially increase to the point where you can't even buy one. Did I just blow your mind? Please leave a like if I just blew your mind. I really hope I did, because this is going to absolutely change the game for Ethereum in huge ways in 2022. And maybe it'll be pushed back, but either way, it is the hype of this, by far, as you guys can see in my voice, that absolutely spikes the price of any coin. Remember, cryptocurrency is built off hype. It is built off hype. There is nothing fundamental about a lot of these cake, bake, they have fundamentals to them, but a majority of what is hyping up the price is the eventual future predictions that we have, and how the rich space have, what the rich space have of the ability of these coins to absolutely skyrocket in price, as well as be secure and also scalable in terms of what it is able to achieve as a business. That is what they are looking for, and also the ability for it to change the world. And Ethereum has already been changing the world with the ability to make smart contracts very, very much digital and peer-to-peer. It is changing the world, flipping over the financial industry, a multi-trillion-dollar industry. By far, that is just the start of what it does. So, with that being said, let's go off the fundamentals. And I know, huge, I haven't even gone to the end of the page, right? But staking is pretty much coming to the position where you can do this, you can stake, and absolutely stake to the point where this is less energy intensive, and you've got scalability, security, and sustainability of Ethereum. This is going to absolutely skyrocket, and $10,000 is not beyond this at all. Trust me on this. This is absolutely the dream coming into fruition for Ethereum, with so much more of the dream to still come. But the fact that they've achieved, and they will achieve that part of the dream, will also achieve the dream for you guys and girls out there becoming millionaires and also having passive income while doing absolutely nothing to get that passive income, which is huge for any human being on this earth. Anybody with common sense. Anyway, and I know you guys and girls out there want to absolutely make life-changing money, which is why I'm sharing this with you guys and girls. So ETH2 is going to be absolutely huge. Now, with that being said, let's go into the price prediction that I can see for 2021. If it meets the fundamentals of the 2021 release, and it goes on to have a bullish market in general for Bitcoin within 2021, I would see this by far going to the $2,500 mark by the end of 2021. And if news follows through with all of this, and there is a lot of bullish follow through with the news, they do marketing in the absolute best ways possible, they release more that makes it even more attractive for the investor, then we could see this very easily going to the $5,000 mark. Now, some of you would be like, that's absolutely crazy, Alistar. Why could it go to this level? It is only a 3 times increase from the high. Less than 3 times, 2.5x increase from the previous high that Ethereum actually went up to. That is not saying a lot for a space that is incredibly created off hype and fundamental news. Ethereum in general has withstood the test of time, and for the past 5 years has created all of this. When it is an Ethereum space, Bitcoin goes to the background. When it is a Bitcoin space, of course, all the altcoins go to the background. But when it is Ethereum's time to shine, all eyes are on Ethereum. Whereas you see the other altcoins in the cryptocurrency space, if it's their time to shine, not everyone gets involved. When it's Ethereum's time to shine, everybody knows about it, everybody is in it. As in, everybody is looking up the news for it because it is the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world, and it is very, very, very undervalued for what it is. That's why I suggested, and I believe this will reach $10,000. It's just a matter of when it will reach it. And that is 150% guaranteed by me. So, with that being said, where are we going in the very near future? The price prediction that I have for you guys and girls into 2021 is $2,500 towards the $5,000 mark. Again, depending on if the fundamentals follow through, if the technicals follow through as well, and we can also see in the very near future, or even early, if they're able to pull this off, which is a very difficult thing to ask. But if they are able to pull this off in the mainnet of Ethereum coming early, then this will absolutely hit that $5,000 mark. And that $5,000 mark will absolutely go to the $10,000 mark in the very near future. 100% guaranteed. This is not number 2 for no reason. This is not the number 2 cryptocurrency for no reason. There is specific fundamentals that this follows, that the richest people in the world know about. And they are followed to a T with all of the most successful assets that you guys and girls have invested in, and that these men and women have invested in. So this has all of those fundamentals as well as the technicals on its side, besides the fact that there are pro traders involved here. Everything, fundamentally and technically, is pretty damn sound about Ethereum. That is, with all of the updates being involved and coming to the forefront of the network. The scalability problems and the sustainability problems of this is absolutely huge, and that is in part why the gas fees are absolutely ridiculous. So it needs to focus on this and fix those problems, and then this will absolutely change the world in the next few years. That is 100%. Okay, that is about all for the fundamentals of this, and I could go so much more in depth, but for this, I want to go into the other pick for you guys and girls, because I know 100% you guys and girls are going to say, why is Ethereum so damn expensive? Why? Why do I have to pay this for Ethereum? All of those things being said, and the fact that it has everything in check is one of the reasons. And it is why I want to end with this huge suggestion for you guys and girls. Ethereum Classic is the one that I mentioned in the previous video, and I compared it with Neo and FLM. So for you guys and girls to understand this, you've got to note that within the previous bull runs, Ethereum Classic has been almost 100% of the time following Ethereum. What do I mean by this? It has been following it in price action, and every time Ethereum seems to go up exponentially, Ethereum Classic seems to follow. In the same way, where there is a decrease, Ethereum Classic seems to decrease when Ethereum chooses to do this. And we can see this coming in a very, very similar chart that these two actually have. Can you guys and girls see this? Very similar charts. You guys can see here with the price of Ethereum Classic right here, Ethereum Classic has not had that exponential increase to here that we have wanted. That has happened yet. So if you guys and girls are still thinking Ethereum is way too overpriced, think again, because we are actually going into price discovery for Ethereum as we speak. And all we need is bullish follow through for Bitcoin. Subsequently, you could see the Ethereum Classic has hardly gone up and has hit that resistance point, as you guys can see here, at this level, and then retraced back down when Bitcoin went back down. So this has not done that bullish follow through, as you guys and girls can see, to that $40 mark yet. That is why this was a very, very, very bullish pick, and we could see this easily going to those levels again. Once it passed this level, once you see it past that $20 level, this will absolutely spike a good double or triple or quadruple from where it is at right now. Quadruple from where it's at right now. Very quickly. And if we see that Ethereum follow through, then we could very easily see that for Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic was something that you guys and girls can look up, but it was a hard fork of Ethereum in 2016. Okay, so it tries to be better than the original Ethereum, kind of like Bitcoin and its hard forks, isn't it? You could see very, very, very bullish follow through things in Ethereum Classic if you guys have the patience of a saint. That is pretty much what I want to leave you guys with for this video. Ethereum Classic is a very, very bullish one. Quadruple your money in the next few months, depending on Ethereum and the news that follows through with this. This already has the fundamentals in check, but it is just a matter of time before we see that $2,500 level, as well as the price discovery price of the $5,000 mark, going towards that 10K mark very, very, very quickly. So, if you guys enjoyed this, by far, you can help out this channel by clicking that subscribe button. It means so much to me, and hitting that thumbs up if you guys absolutely enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the other videos in the channel, and make sure you guys tune in, by the way, to the All-Star Crypto trading group that I need to share with you guys and girls. Now, there is a 50% discount, but I need 30 or so more of you to join up to the cryptocurrency group to make this worthwhile for the other individuals as well as myself and the admins. You guys will get the original price halved if you guys and girls pay in Bitcoin. That is something that I've offered to you guys and girls for the last time, because there were a lot of emails asking for that same original price, but they really, really, really seem hungry to get life-changing money. So if you guys and girls do want this, you guys want to make life-changing money every single day in crypto, then subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys and girls are looking out for the 50% off discount in the trading group once we hit that 50 people, and also making sure that you're commenting and sending an email from the website to make sure that you are part of that 50 people limit. It is limited to 50 people, and there will be an exponential increase after this. So that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys took everything out of this, and I love hearing your guys and girls comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys and girls think of the prediction of 2021 and also the predictions of 2022 at the 5K to 10K mark that I've laid out for you guys and girls. I love hearing your comments. Let me know in the comment section, and I will catch you guys for the next one. Peace.